Some projects generate a lot of waste material, and that's when it's time to consider a slightly larger dumpster size. A 10-yard dumpster can pack a lot of material in a compact space. It's big enough to use on small commercial jobs, but it's best for those medium-sized home renovation projects. Keep watching to find out more. Remodels. The average homeowner may have a bit of trouble judging what size dumpster is the best fit for different projects. It might be useful to look at some cases where a 10-yard dumpster would be a good option. If you're taking on the remodel of your main bathroom, or if you're ready to modernize a small kitchen, this is the dumpster you want in your driveway. It's big enough to handle old cabinets, tiles, and even small appliances without much trouble. Decluttering. After living in a home for a few years, your basement and garage can start to take on a life of their own. We've all stored away an item or two that we know we have a use for, we just don't know what that might be. It takes some courage to own up to the fact that you'll probably never use those items after all, but when you're ready to take that step, a 10-yard dumpster is probably the perfect size for these kinds of projects. Life's transition times. For the soon-to-be empty nesters, this dumpster makes a lot of sense as well. As much as you love your kids, there's no doubt they'll likely accumulate a lot of junk over the years. Whether they're just heading off to college or they're leaving the family home for good, it could be the ideal time to rid yourself of all that clutter. Perhaps you want to turn your son's room into your new home office. Or maybe you want to convert your daughter's room into a family music room. Whatever the case may be, you have a lot of material to dispose of, so you'll need more than a 4 or 6 yard dumpster. The 10-yard option will work well for these kinds of life transition home makeovers. Replacing the roof. Been there, done that's 10-yard dumpster also happens to be the most popular choice for roofing as well. It's the perfect size for this type of project. Anyone that's had the opportunity to carry some roofing tiles up a ladder knows how heavy they can be. For these jobs, you don't want anything larger because of potential weight issues. A 10-yard dumpster full of roofing tiles will weigh in excess of 2 tons. That's a lot of material. It's usually the largest unit that roofers use when they're resurfacing a roof for a homeowner. It's the ideal dumpster size for your roof installation. If a dumpster sounds like the right choice, but you're not sure which size is right for your next project, there's no need to be too concerned. Our dumpster consultants have tons of experience helping homeowners just like you make the right choice for their needs. Contact us today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.